Hello and welcome to the desk management solution from Room Manager. In this presentation, I have split the presentation to three parts. Video 1 will be showing you the online SharePoint form when somebody searches for a free desk by a given date and time. Video 2 will be the approach from the mobile app, the power apps for desk booking, and video 3 will be the interactive floor plan for desk reservations and desk management. So let's start with video 1, the online SharePoint form. On your Office 365 tenant, there is a desk booking site, and in this desk booking site we have two lists, SharePoint lists. One is the desks list and one is the desk reservations list. So pretty simple in the modern interface. As you can see, all our desks can be managed directly in this list. It has some out-of-the-box fields like location, if the desk is active or not, a description for these desks, and then where this desk is located, in which floor, and some keywords. So these keywords are very specific. You can define these keywords for every resource like a desk, and you can change them as well very easily. The edit of the desks can happen through clicking and highlighting the desk, and then you see it opens in this modern pane here on the modern interface of SharePoint sites. There is now new a commands field. You could add any command to this desk if wanted. You can hide this command field, and then here are the values for the desk 1, and here you can just directly go into any field and make the changes that are needed. So if this desk 1 is not in New York, it is in London, you can just select London, and it's automatically updated, as you can see, on the fly without doing anything. And the keywords are fetched from a separate list. All your keywords you would like to use, you define by the admin, and then the administrator can just change these keywords directly in this pane here in the edit window, and the changes will become available immediately. Additional attachments are possible, like images of the desks if needed, so this can be used furthermore in the detail. One beauty here is that you can add custom columns in SharePoint out of the box. So there's a column that I've added, for example, as desk type, and here I could set the values like hoteling desk, like hot desk, like flexible desk, the way you need it, and then it will be reflected as well automatically in the desks list. Now this is the desks list. Now let's see how the desk reservations work. There's the desk reservations list with all the details, with the ID, the title, the desk that has been booked, the details from when till when. So from 8 a.m. till 5 p.m. it automatically calculates the book duration. There's a nice feature here in this list which are called conditional formatting. All these things with highlighting different colors can be done directly by you. So there are the column settings, and here you see the format, this column. This is an out-of-the-box feature in SharePoint which allows you to choose different conditional formatting and even rules for highlighting. So one way, for example, that this could be used would be for the book duration. You could, for example, highlight in red any book duration which is longer than, let's say, 5 days or 7 days, so it would be appear in red, and you could take immediately action. All the other fields comes out of the box. Is it all-day event? Is the desk checked in by the user? And what is the booking status of the desk? Now let's see how a user can make a new reservation. He clicks on the new button, and again in the modern interface you see here the pane. I enter just the title for this desk reservation. I select the location. So let's say this is in London, and once I select London, I can select the day. I can select the time from 8 till 24th, let's say 2 p.m. And all the desks available for the given location, for the given date time, are showing up in the drop down. So desk 2, 3, 5, and 8 are available. Now a nice feature are these desk keywords that you have seen. These are filters that has been defined. Now what the user can do is he can narrow down the search results. 4 desks are available, but he needs a desk, for example, who has a monitor. So when he clicks on monitor, you see it is reduced to one desk which matches the criteria the tagging of monitor. This can be combined. You can say voice conferencing and first floor. And when you open it, you see there's another one which is available. You select this desk. You can say all day event, automatically adjusted, 24-hour format, and then you save. The desk is added with all the details, as you can see. For location, desk 2, it has been booked for 6 hours exactly. It was reserved by this person. You see it's not an all-day event and the desk is not checked in yet.